Electric spark.
We were discussing the solution methods of a differential equation of first order and first degree. In previous two lectures we have discussed variable separable form. Now in this lecture we will discuss linear differential equations, so let's start.
Linear differential equation. A differential equation is said to be linear if the dependent variable and its derivative occur only in the first degree and are not multiplied together. The general form of a linear equation of the first order is this: dy by dx plus py equal to q. If you see here, it is 1 and it is 1. Therefore order is 1 and its whole power is 1. This equation is called the Leibniz linear equation. Its solution is given as, this is the solution of this: y e raised power p dx equal to integral of q e raised power integral of p dx plus c. Note that here p and q are the functions of x only, and e raised power integral of p dx is called integrated factor. The general form can be like this also. This dx by dy plus px equal to q. The solution is like this, and this is called integrated factor. In this form, p and q are the functions of y only. But we have to remember one thing in this, that in general form, the coefficient of dy by dx or dx by dy is unity. This is unity, this is 1. Right? While solving the problem is, if the coefficient of dy by dx or dx by dy is not unity, then we have to make the coefficient unity.
Do you understand? Yes. So let's do some examples on this.
Now let's start with initial conditions. X of 1 equal to 0.5. The solution of the differential equation of this t dx by dt plus x equal to t is, we have to find the right option. This question has been asked in JEE 2012 of 1 marks. Now let's start. Given t dx by dt plus x equal to t. Now in order to bring it in general form, we have to make the coefficient of dx by dt unity. But here it is t. Therefore we take t common and we can write it as dx by dt plus 1 by t into x equal to t by t, that's 1. Right, now this is in general form. Now we will compare it with the general form of linear differential equation. On comparing with this, general equation is like this: tx t plus px equal to q. On comparing with this, p equal to 1 by t, q equal to 1. Now we have to solve this. We know that we have to solve this. We know that the solution of such equation is like this: x into integrated factor equal to integral of q into integrated factor dt plus constant. Right? Here integrated factor is e raised power p dt. What is p? That is 1 by t dt, that is e raised power. For the integration of 1 by t, that is 1 t. Cancel out, that's t. Therefore integration factor is t. Therefore solution is like this: x into integration factor, that is t, equal to integral of q. What's q? That is 1. What is integration factor? That's t plus c, which implies that this is x into t equal to, what is integration of t? That's t squared by 2 plus c, which implies that x equal to t squared by 2t plus c by t. That's t squared by 2, no, this is t by 2 plus c by t. Put this equation first. Now in question it is given that x of 1, this is given, equal to 0.5. That's actually, that means at t equal to 1, x is 0.5. Therefore we can write equation first as 0.5 equal to t, that's value of x at t, that's what's the value of t, that is 1 by 2 plus c by t, that is 1, which implies that c equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, that's equal to 0. Therefore the solution is x equal to from equation A, t by 2 plus c by t, but you see that's 0, that's 0, there's t by 2. Now let's check which option is correct. It seems to be option D. Yeah, it's option D is correct.
Do you understand? Yes. So let's start another question.
Now let's do one more example. Dr plus 2 or cot theta plus sine 2 theta into d theta. Now we will try to bring it in general form. We can write it as dr equal to minus 2r cot theta plus sine 2 theta to d theta, which implies that dr by d theta equal to minus 2r cot theta minus sine 2 theta, right? Or we can write it as dr by d theta plus 2 cot theta into r equal to minus sine 2 theta. Now on comparing with the general form, p equal to 2 cot theta and q equal to minus sine 2 theta. Now the solution of such equation is given as or integrated factor equal to integral of q into integrated factor into d theta plus c, right? Let this equation first. Integrated factor is equal to e raised power p. What is p? There's 2 cot theta. There's, right, it has 2 cot theta into d theta. And this equation second. Now we will find what is the integral of cot theta. Integral of cot theta into d theta, that's equal to integral of cos theta divided by sine theta into d theta. Let's put sine theta equal to t. To differentiate with respect to theta, we can write it as cos theta d theta equal to dt. cot theta into d theta equal to integral of, instead of cos theta d theta, we can write dt divided by what is, we can write instead of sin theta d, that is equal to ln t, that's equal to ln, what's the value of t, that's sin theta. Therefore integrated factor equal to e raised power 2 ln sin theta, right? Also we have ln of m raised power n equal to n ln m. Therefore we can write integrated factor equal to e raised power ln of sin square theta, cancel out, that's equal to sin square theta, right? Now let's move on. Therefore we can write solution as or into integrated factor, that's sin square theta equal to integral of q, what is the value of q, that's minus sin 2 theta into integrated factor, that is sin square theta into d theta plus c, that is equal to minus, we also know instead of sin 2 theta we can write twice sin theta cos theta, that's equal to sin square theta d theta plus c, that's equal to minus 2 sin cube theta cos theta d theta plus c. Now we will put sin theta equal to t. Now differentiate with respect to theta, it is cos theta d theta is equal to dt, right? Therefore we can write, solution as or sin square theta equal to minus 2. Now instead of sin cube theta we can write d cube. Now instead of cos theta d theta we can write this dt, that's equal to minus 2 into integration of d cube, that is d4 by 4, right? d raised by 4 plus c, right? This is all sin square theta equal to, this is minus d raised by 4 by 2 plus c, right? That's all sin square theta equal to c minus, now we will put back the value of t equal to sin theta, that's sin 4 theta by 2, that's equal to 2c minus sin raised power 4 theta sin 4 theta divided by 2, right? Now we can write it as or sin square theta equal to This is 4 divided by 2. This is 2. This is 2c minus sine power 4 theta, right? Or we can write it as 2r sine square theta plus sine raised power 4 theta equal to minus equal to plus 2c, or we can write it as 2r sine square theta plus sine raised power 4 theta minus 2c equal to 0, or we can write it as 2r sine square theta plus sine raised power 4 theta plus a equal to 0, where a is equal to minus 2c, right?
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Electric Spark and hit the bell icon so that you can watch our daily videos.
Electric Spark.